Today we'll guide you through simple steps to clean and maintain your Shark PowerDetect corded stick vacuum. With Shark's new suite of Detect technology, it's important to show your vacuum some love to ensure you get the most out of it. Let's get started with these easy tips to properly maintain and clean your corded stick. Start by emptying the dust cup. To remove the dust cup from the hand vac, press the two dust cup release buttons at the same time and pull out the dust cup from the top. Hold the dust cup over the trash. Pull back on the empty button and pull up to open the dust cup lid until it clicks and locks in the open position. Gently tap the cone-shaped screen inside the dust cup to knock dust and debris into the trash. Next, open the top of the dust cup by pressing the two buttons on the dust cup lid to remove any debris that may be caught in the cyclone. Next, we recommend removing and rinsing the filters. The HEPA filter should be rinsed every 6 months. To remove the HEPA filter, detach the dust cup. Then pull the filter release tab on the handheld vacuum filter cover. Remove the cover, then squeeze the side tabs on the HEPA filter and lift it out. After the filter has been rinsed and has completely dried for 24 hours, reinsert it into the handheld vacuum, then reattach the filter cover. The pre-motor filters should be rinsed every month. To remove the pre-motor filters, detach the dust cup, then slide down the filter access buttons on both sides of the dust cup lid. Pull out the filter housing, then lift out the foam filter. Next, remove the felt filter by the pull tab. It's best to rinse the filters with clean, cold water only. Allow the filters to air dry for at least 24 hours. After the filters have been rinsed and are completely dry, insert the felt filter into the housing first, then slide in the foam filter and reinstall the housing into the dust cup lid. If your Shark PowerDetect feels like it's not cleaning or picking up debris, or if the headlights on the floor nozzle turn red, there may be a blockage or a clog. To check for a clog, start by emptying your dust cup and then disassemble your vacuum. To disassemble the vacuum, remove the hand vac from the wand. Then detach the wand from the floor nozzle. Check the hand vac using a flashlight to shine light through the airway. You can also check the floor nozzle and the wand. Sometimes socks and other small clothing items get caught up by accident. Turn the floor nozzle over and inspect the brush rolls. Slide the soft roller access button forward to release the soft roller. Hand rinse the soft roller as needed. Use only water and allow it to air dry completely for at least 24 hours. Reinsert the soft roller in the front of the nozzle until it clicks into place. To access the nozzle hose, pinch the release points on the bottom of the nozzle, then lift the cover. Clear any blockages. Follow these steps for effective maintenance and optimal performance of your Shark PowerDetect vacuum. Visit our support site for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.